By now, Bill, you're probably pretty familiar with your washer and its operation. But with any home appliance, things can go wrong. Let's think about some things that you might run into and what you might be able to do about them. The first thing to consider is noises from your washer. Some noises are normal. A pop and a beep at the start of the cycle, quiet humming during the wash, a click followed by a short thump during the cycle, or a light rattling noise. These are usually just mechanical bits and bobs rocking around while washing the clothes. If you hear louder rattling or banging noises, there are a few things that might cause them. An improperly leveled washer will rattle and bang against the floor or other objects. Loose items like change or headphones can slam against the drum. Check for loose objects in pockets before adding them to a wash. Loud rattling can also be caused by the shipping bolts if they were not removed. Apart from noises, you might see error codes on the display of the washing machine. A lot of these codes should be handled by a service professional only. Here are a few that you can check out for yourself. A UB or UR error code indicates an unbalanced load. It almost never requires service. You'll see this error if your washing machine is not level, so just be sure you have the feet adjusted properly. You can also get this code if the machine is level, but the load is located to one side of the drum. To avoid the error, you should always load clothes evenly around the drum. A 4C error code indicates that something is wrong with your water supply. This error will appear when the drum area isn't filling up with enough water. Most commonly, we'll see this when the hot water line is not hooked up, even if the cycle temperature is set to cold. Note that you'll get a 4C2 error code if the hot and cold lines are swapped. Also, check that your water supply is on. Check for any kinks in the supply line, and check for any foreign material that may be causing a blockage as well. A 5C or OC error code indicates that the drain pump isn't working as well as it should. Check the drain line for any kinks or foreign material, and make sure the drain pipe is installed according to the manual instructions, especially the part about being inserted no more or less than 6 inches into the home's drainage system. Remember to regularly clean your pump filter. If these checks don't help the issue, or if any other error code appears, it might be time to schedule service. To recap, normal use with simple maintenance can help to completely avoid issues like these, but it never hurts to be a bit more confident with routine issues. Remember that some noises are completely normal, and that many loud, rattling issues have simple fixes. Try to have everything tight and level for best results. Unbalanced errors can usually be corrected without calling for service. Waterline-related error codes can often be fixed with some inspection, cleaning, and adjustment. And other problems and error codes are rare, but should be serviced by a professional. Don't be worried about making simple adjustments and repairs on your washing machine. You got this.